Cellular respiration can be broken down into three phases. The first is glycolysis, which means the breakdown of glucose. A 6-carbon molecule known as glucose enters the cytosol. Once in the cell, a nucleotide composed of 3 phosphate groups known as ATP is invested and a phosphate is attached to the molecule. This reaction yields 1 ADP and creates glucose 6-phosphate. Once another ATP is invested, yields ADP, the molecule becomes fructose 1,6-biphosphate. The 6-carbon chain is split into 2,3 molecules. Glycerides, 3-phosphate is added phosphate to the group. Then 2 NADs are inputted to each molecule and yields 2 NADH, which gets sent back to the mitochondria. Another phosphate group is attached to the molecule, creating 1,3-phosphoglycerate. Next, 2 ADP are added and the reaction yields 2 ATP. Atoms in the molecule become rearranged and 2-phosphoglycerate is created, releasing 2 H2O molecules to create phosphopyruvate. Once again, 2 ATP are invested, yielding 2 ATP and results in 2 pyruvates. The 2 pyruvates leave the cytosol and enter the mitochondria. So far, the net of ATP is 2 because of ATP used to start the process. The 2 pyruvates in the mitochondria have coenzymes A and NAD attaching to them. With those attached to the pyruvate, a reaction occurs and yields NADH and CO2, creating acetylsol A. This sets the stage for Krebs cycle with all molecules containing hydrogen and oxygen. Term I forgot to mention. Substrate level phosphorylation is when GTP goes to GDP and ATP goes to ADP.